Oh, hey, what's up? Yeah, so a lot of things on this list, like a lot of things I have to get to after being gone. We'll go over all of those. But again, you guys are so amazing. Thank you for all the kind words in relation to the Business Insider article.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ. Again, flew across the country. Sinuses don't really care for that. So I'm dealing with that right now, but I appreciate you for tuning in. And there are a lot of different videos I need to get to. So I needed a list. And also, I have kept all the carriers working diligently, even while I was gone. So this list, some of it had to do with me having very poor timing in ordering things. Other things, they just kind of popped up and appeared, and I am forever grateful for those blessings. So let's just kind of run down. I'm not actually unboxing them fully here. Most of them will have their own individual videos. Some of them will not. So I'll go ahead and tell you which ones will and which ones won't. Air Jordan 1 Women's Denim High. Of course, that will have its own video. I'm working on it, so please enjoy the shorts while I'm able to get those up. The Air Jordan 6 Georgetown, aka Yankees, aka Aaron Judge, owns all of baseball right now. He's like leading the Triple Crown race, and as we know, he's also gonna probably break Roger Maris's record, and yeah, he's also one of my favorite Yankees. So it's just a really good time right now, but I still have to get to the 6. The Yeezy Slide in Flax. I'm not doing a full video, I don't think, on that, but yeah, I got that in actually the same time as the Turtle Dove. It just never made its way to get its own video on the channel, but I have that in. Can never have enough comfortable slides. Again, I work from home. The Yankees KITH tapestry fitted hat. Now it's in a size 7, so you guys already know the deal. But later on this weekend, you will be able to see me in so many fitteds. Like I'm gonna run through all the size 6, 7, 8s, and 7 fitteds because I can wear them again. But that hat arrived and it's everything I thought it would be in person, and I absolutely love it. So that hat touched down. The Fear of God nylon relax pants. Remember the pair you guys saw before I actually left? Well, technically I was gone, but you saw them. They were the cotton blend. No, this is the nylon relaxed trousers. So I'll go over that and also probably do a side-by-side with the cotton pair just so you guys can see the difference, because I think I got both in seafoam. So I will show you a side-by-side for that. The Richie Lee collection wool pants. I already have the jacket and I could not pass up on the pants. So shout out to the team for making sure that I was able to secure those. And then just some blessings, some great things. Now, this isn't everything. Again, I feel like there are other items I haven't gotten to. Yeah, there's another hat. I have another fedora. It's like the most expensive hat. Second most expensive hat I've purchased. I don't know why I went down this very expensive road when it comes to hats, but that hat is in. Can't wait to wear it this weekend. I could wear it now, but I think I'm just going to wait until the weekend. Here are the amazing things that have now touched down. An insane care package from the Jordan women's apparel team. I'm beyond grateful to you guys, and a lot of these items will coordinate really well with the Air Jordan 1 women's denim and then also the Georgetown 6. I'm going to coordinate a few things with those too, so just stay tuned. I'll be sure to highlight what they are, and then also, ladies, if they're available on Nike.com right now, I will put the links in the video just for you. And then finally, Detroit was awesome. So if you guys didn't know, I attended the Black Footwear Forum Homecoming for 2022, hosted by the Pensacola Lewis College, the only recognized historically Black college and university. And as you know, it centers around sneakers, design, and everything within the industry. It was great to be back home. Like, that's actually where I was born and, raised during my childhood. And the amazing people that I got to meet, connect with. Of course, you connect with people online, virtually, via social media, but it's different once it's in person. And I had the blessing, the opportunity, and very grateful to have connected with James Whitner in person and his awesome team. And him, they sent over the brand new Social Status Penny 2. I know, I'm just so excited. So yeah, it was a surreal weekend. I think it was just really transcendent of what, individuals are already doing in the community. I was able to witness a very dear friend received the Icon Award for everything she's doing with his sneakers. Shout out to Jazzaray. But then also April Walker was awarded, Jock, aka Cousteau, James Whitner, and it was just a great experience. Again, very inspirational, very moving of a weekend, and I can't wait to just go through all of these different things. So again, I appreciate your patience because it's going to take a little bit of time, but we're here and I'm excited to unbox all of them. And also we will go over the actual article in a different video, but then also it's time this week to go ahead and spend money. So essentially pay a retro price for the one share of stock for Adidas and Nike, because that's what I committed to. So stay tuned for that. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.